Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by selecting the best shot in Photos and tapping Edit. This preserves the original while you work. Once chosen, duplicate if you plan heavy changes and enable live photos for motion choices. Start with composition. Use the grid, try a 1/2 or 16:9 crop, and set straightening until the horizon feels natural. These quick fixes establish a clean base. Make sure to save versions so you can compare before progressing to tone and color. Now you refine tone and color. Start with exposure and highlights to recover details, then pull up shadows for mid-tone clarity, small increments like 0. 3:1. 0 work best. Once balanced, increase contrast and tweak black point to add depth. Pay attention to clipping indicators so you don't lose detail. After that, adjust vibrance and saturation to taste, and use warmth or tint to correct color casts. Once done, inspect skin tones and use selective color tools for targeted corrections. Finish by sharpening and cleaning noise. Add a little sharpness and definition to bring out details, and use noise reduction on grainy low-light images. Don't overdo it because halos and smudging appear fast. When satisfied, export at full quality. Choose HEIF or maximum JPG and share via Files or Share Sheet. If something looks off, revert to the duplicate, compare steps, or roll back the last adjustments. A common fix is reducing sharpening or lowering saturation to remove artifacts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.